Hello guys, welcome. So continuing the polity wali series, today we are going to cover the fundamental duties. Okay, I hope you must have watched the fundamental rights वाली जो दो part में videos आई हैं, and today we are going to cover all the questions that have come in the previous year exams regarding the fundamental duties. The first one being, which committee has proposed fine or punishment for the non-compliance of fundamental duty? तो it was स्वर्ण सिंह कमेटी. ओके, फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ जो थी वो 42nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1976 में ऐड हुई हैं इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. एंड द स्वर्ण सिंह कमेटी जो थी उन्होंने प्रपोज किया था कि हमें फ़ाइन और पनिशमेंट जो है वो लगानी चाहिए अगर नॉन कंप्लायंस हो रिगार्डिंग द fundamental duties. Wait a second. Yeah. Then the next question is, according to the Indian Constitution, which of the following is not a fundamental duty? To protect the public property, yes, it is a fundamental duty. To promote the feeling of brotherhood, this is also a fundamental duty. There are originally there were 10 fundamental duties, and then 11th one was added in the 86th Amendment Act 2002 के right to education वाली वो 11th fundamental duty बाद में add हुई थी. Initially पहले 10 ही थी. Then the C1, to follow the constitution and respect its ideals, yes, it is also a fundamental duty. But then voting in public elections, this is not a fundamental duty. So इस question का answer कि कौन सी इनमें से fundamental duty नहीं है, so it is this. And fundamental duties जो हैं वो part 4A में है of the constitution. Part 3rd is the fundamental rights. Then part 4 जो है वो DPSP है. Then 4A जो है जो कि 51 ए आर्टिकल्स के अंदर आते हैं, ये सारे फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ हैं. ओके, मूविंग ऑन, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ डैश इज़ अ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी ऑफ द सिटीजन्स ऑफ द इंडिया. सेक्रेड टेक्स्ट, वाइल्ड लाइफ, विलेजेस, चिल्ड्रन ऑफ ओल्ड एजेस. सो इट्स आंसर इज प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ जो है वो हमारा फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी है. मूविंग ऑन to the next question, which is, which of the following options is not included in the fundamental duties? To value and preserve the rich heritage of a country, yes, ये है. Respecting the national flag and national anthem, yes, ये भी है. To maintain and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, ये भी है. But then focusing on personal development and personal activities, ये fundamental duties का part नहीं है. The next one is the 11th fundamental duty deals with the education. Okay. Then, moving on, which of the following is not listed in the fundamental duties? To conserve and improve the natural environment, ये मैंने अभी बताया कि ये है. To protect the public property and stay away from violence, ये भी है. To value and preserve the rich heritage, ये भी है. To promote the feeling of general disharmony, ये नहीं है. We have to promote the feeling of general harmony. तो ये disharmony की बात करें तो ये जो है ये fundamental rights का part नहीं है. Then the next question is, फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ आर डैश एंड नॉट एनफोर्सेबल बाय लॉ. ये स्टैट्यूटरी होते हैं एंड दे आर नॉट लाइक एनफोर्सेबल बाय लॉ लाइक द फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी फंडामेंटल राइट्स की तरह ये जस्टिसेबल या ये कोर्ट्स में हम नहीं ले जा सकते हैं फॉर एनफोर्सिंग देम. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट come under the fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? A. Cherish and follow the noble ideas that inspire the national struggle for freedom. Uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. एक्सरसाइज अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज, ये हमने पहले भी देखा कि वोटिंग वाला जो है वो आपकी अपनी पर्सनल विल है. इट इज़ नॉट अ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी टू गो एंड वोट और वट एवर. सो ये इसका पार्ट नहीं है अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज वाला. The next question now is, the fundamental duties were not placed in the part 3rd of the Indian Constitution because part 3rd क्या है वो हमारे पास justiciable है. They are the fundamental rights, part 3rd वाले जो हैं. Okay. Then the next question is, which of the following is not a fundamental duty mentioned in the Indian Constitution? To develop humanism, to develop the spirit of harmony, to develop the spirit of learning, or bringing about improvement. So this is not the part of fundamental duties. Okay. अब यहाँ पे इन्होंने बताई हुई हैं वो सारी फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ जो हैं. टू अबाइड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड रिस्पेक्ट इट्स आइडियल एंड इंस्टीट्यूशन, नेशनल फ्लैग, नेशनल एंथम, ये आ गई फर्स्ट ड्यूटी. to cherish and follow the noble ideas that inspired the freedom struggle, then to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national service whenever called upon to do so, to promote the harmony and spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the natural environment, to foster the scientific temper, humanism, and spirit of inquiry and reform, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, to strive towards the excellence in all spheres of the individual and collective activity. And 11th fundamental duty जो 86th amendment 2002 में add हुई थी, that is the compulsory education of children up to the age of 14 or below. Then the next question is, which article of the Indian Constitution say that the duty of every citizen of India to develop a scientific temper? तो it is 51A, क्योंकि fundamental duty सारी उसी में आती हैं. Okay. Then moving on, the next question, the committee that implemented the suggestions to teach the fundamental duties to the citizens of country is, कौन सी कमेटी है जिन्होंने ये सजेशंस दी कि हमें सिटीजन्स ऑफ द कंट्रीज के जो है उनको फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ को टीच करना चाहिए? सो इट इज़ JS वर्मा कमेटी. ओके. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट अ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी? तो अभी हमने देखी क्या जो 11 वो थी, तो वोटिंग ड्यूरिंग इलेक्शन जो है वो फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी का पार्ट नहीं है. Moving on, which of the following statements is not correct regarding the fundamental duties? So 51A deals with the fundamental duties. This is right. The total number of fundamental duties is 11, incorporated by the 43rd. It is incorporated by the 42nd Amendment Act. Okay. And ये part 4A में ये भी correct है. तो C वाला is wrong because वो 42nd Amendment 1976 से add हुआ है. Then the next question is, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution is related to the fundamental duties? So it is Article 51A. Then the next question is, which of the following committees recommended the inclusion of fundamental duties in the Constitution? So it was Swan Singh Committee. Okay. Then fundamental duties are included in the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act. The total number of fundamental duties provided in the Constitution of India is, so it is 11. Then as of 2020, the how many fundamental duties are there? So there are 11 fundamental duties. Which article specifies the fundamental duties of every citizen? So it is Article 51A in the part. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India cites that it is the duty of the citizen to develop the scientific temper? So it is 51A. तो ये like SSC के exams में थोड़े questions को the language is changed and then they ask the same question again and again in different exams. Now, which article of the Indian Constitution say that about the fundamental duty? So it is 51A. Which of the following is not listed as the fundamental duty? So it is to obey the traffic rules. ये जो है ये नहीं है fundamental duty. Then, which of the following committee recommended the inclusion of fundamental duty? So it was Swan Singh Committee. Which of the following is not listed as a fundamental duty in the Indian Constitution? So, payment of taxes, payment of public property, obeying the Constitution, protection of sovereignty of India. So, its answer is payment of taxes. I think that's all for the topic of fundamental duties. So, we'll continue the DPSP in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.